Okay, this is a short lesson on how to use a graphing calculator, either TI84 or the TI83, to find the permutations or combinations or factorials. So permutations are NPR, combinations are NCR, factorials are the exclamation mark. So let's say I want to find 25p5. 25p5. I would go 25 on the graphic calculator. Then to find the permutation button, you need to hit Math. Then you go across the screen till it says Probability. And then you go down to NPR. And you see below that you have the NCR and the factorial. They're all found in the same spot. That Math button, then you go across to Probability. So go NPR, hit Enter, and then 5. 25p5. Hit Enter and it gives you your answer. If it was on TI83, same spot. Hit 25, then you go Math, go across, and on the TI83 it's PRB instead of Prob. Find, let me try that again. So you go 25, Math, PRB, down to NPR, hit Enter, 5. 25p5 gives you your answer. If it was combinations or NCR, again, same thing, 25, Math, go across, PRB, down to NCR, hit 5. So now I have 25, choose 5, hit Enter, you get your answer. If it was simply 25 factorial, I would go 25, Math, everything's in the same location, go across to PRB, down to the exclamation mark, Enter, and you get your answer of 25 factorial. So a short little lesson on how to find where NPR, NCR, and factorials are on both a TI83 and a TI84 graphing calculator. They are found in the same spots. The TI83 calls it PRB, and the TI84 calls it Prob. Thank you very much.